What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode number 2 of the rebuild. Today we are going to be swapping out the V1 Morimoto headlights with the Amber DRL V2s. I'm actually really stoked to get these on because the rest of the lights are going to be Morimoto as well, so the Ambers will actually match. But yeah, let's dive in. To do this install, all you're really going to need is a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver to pop off some of these little pop clips. You've got 2 bolts, 2 10mm on the top of the headlight. You've got one underneath the bumper cap here, as well as on the side over here. But we'll show you what you need to take off to actually get the headlights out, and then basically just put the new ones on, plug them in, you should be good to go. Alright guys, I know that this is not an impact socket, but I mean, this thing is pretty low power. It's just for this kind of stuff. If I was actually using an actual impact with stuff that's torqued down 80 foot-pounds plus, I would be using black sockets. Alright guys, so we removed the 2 10mm at the top of the headlight, the side of the headlight, and then the 2 10mm on the grill. And then from underneath here, you have one recessed 10mm that holds the headlight in from the side. So the headlight is free, right? Now, obviously I don't have a front bumper, so I don't have to remove the front bumper, but you can get away with getting access to these, just removing the grill and getting it out of your way to pull the headlight out. So we're gonna pull this headlight out, put the new one in, and then get started on the other side, and then we'll get into wiring. As you can see, the headlight is out. So removed these top 2 10mm, the 10mm on the side, and a couple of little clips, one that goes into the grill right here. You have this little contraption here that's like a slide. You can remove this to make it easier, little wind duct. I didn't, I just pushed it out of the way, and the headlight slides that way and then comes out. Make sure when you're pulling the headlight off, you're picking the tabs off the headlight up and over these little edges, so you're not pulling and breaking tabs. Easiest way to break a tab is just to force it and pull the headlight out. But as you can see, it's out and we're ready to put the new one in. Headlight is in place, so make sure when you're doing this, you're putting this little slide, if you guys can see it down there, it's kind of dark, but back into place. So slide that into place, put the top clips on. After that, you'll screw the 10mm back in here, the 10mm back into the side of the headlight here. Once you get the other side done, you'll put the grill back on and push that push clip back into here, and then it's just a matter of plugging everything in and you're good to go from there. Now, if you guys have an SR5, Morimoto actually sends you an add-a-fuse to run if you don't have factory DRLs, okay? So you'll use this basically to connect to the connector of this headlight, run it to the add-a-fuse, run that to the other headlight, and that's what will give you that amber or white DRL if your truck doesn't have factory DRLs. Yeah, we're gonna get started on the other side, plug everything in, and then put it back together, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, that wraps up the Morimoto headlight install. As you can see, they're on. The Ambers, I absolutely love them. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just leave it down below. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. As per usual, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. A lot more content like this coming to the channel. But yeah, this wraps up episode 2 of the rebuild. Episode 3 will be coming here shortly. Peace.